We're out at a servo and we're picking up a car trailer, which means only one thing. We are taking the patrol to get some fab work done. I'm pooing my pants.
Proudly supported by Superior Engineering and Diesel Conversions Australia.
Right, back in the shed, we have the patrol right in front of me. Now, I've already been in this morning and whacked the bonnet back on, which is really cool to see because it's been off for so long. But we are about to measure up the width of the tyres because that trailer is quite skinny. If we can leave these tyres on, we're just going to run them and strap it down as it is. If they're too wide, I do have some skinnies out the back that we can throw on just to help with that width. But we're going to chuck a tape measure over it now, go out the front, measure it up. Hopefully she fits. We're 1980. We're 1980 across the front of the patrol width, so we'll go out and measure this trailer.
What is it?
1980.
Is it actually?
It's going to rub, but it'll fit snug. Right, so we're going to go out and load this thing up. It's ready to go. I've just fitted all the wheel nuts because I only had two holding the wheel on. But yeah, we'll shut the bonnet up, get her out the front. God, it looks so different with the bonnet down. I haven't seen that in so long, but it is now time to load this thing up. I'm not going to put the bull bar or the grill on because I can notch that out when it gets back because he's making all the intercooler piping and all that sort of stuff. So I can just work with the bull bar when it returns. Probably a good point to let you know exactly what is going on, but the car is going down to King Fab Kustoms to get intercooler piping, hopefully the exhaust. I don't know if he's going to make the exhaust yet. But the turbo piping, the airbox, and there's a little surprise that is also going on this thing, which is going to be insane. We're just basically getting the car onto the trailer, getting it down to them. I was going to do a lot of the fabrication. I've got a TIG down there, but I have the TIG, but I can't TIG at all, so I'm not tackling this one, guys. I'm going to pass this on to them, and they're happy to do it for us, which is really awesome. We'll chat more about it later, figure out a plan, but for now, we'll just get this thing on the trailer, get it loaded up. Honestly, it looks so much better with that bonnet on, even though I do like the engine bay. It just looks nice to see it back on.
Yeah. That looks sick.
That was kind of scary.
That was sick. That just fits too.
The patrol is loaded up. We've got the straps on. Hopefully they're on pretty tight. I think we've done a good job, but we won't know until we're going down the highway. But yeah, let's head out. We're going to stop at the servo, grab a drink, make sure the straps aren't coming loose, then we'll head to King Fab Kustoms.
That looks sick.
Got the big gold bus on the back, 10.4 rubber duck. I'm pooing my pants. You can feel it, like this is a Ford F250 V8 petrol. You can definitely feel that is a heavy patrol on the back. I'd say we're up around the trailer's only rated for, I'm not going to disclose that actually. That's the halfway mark of our massive 40-minute journey. A bit stressful, but we made it. Just gonna go get a drink, check the straps, maybe stare at the car for 10 minutes, then we'll head off King Fab Kustoms. It's actually towing not too bad, so big shouts to U-Haul for having sketchy trailers that tow pretty good. So literally the only thing that leaks on this car out of the whole build is the power steering line. You can see it's leaking right there, and it is the only thing that I didn't make myself. So in other words, if you want something done right, you got to do it your bloody self, or I'll do it for you. F250 work rig is an absolute unit for towing though. It's an automatic. It's an 05 actually. I'll probably get a few questions about it, so I'll give it a quick run through. Me and the boss modified this bull bar. It was a 3 hoop, so we just cut it down to a single hoop. Got some lights from the States, mirrors from the States, and we chucked some Ram side steps on it as well. We also got some nice shiny boy wheels fitted up with some mud terrain tyres on it. But yeah, it's a 5.4 V8 petrol, and yeah, I use this every day during the week. Run around and fix stuff with it. And yeah, it's a bloody good rig. Bit of a half canopy as a fridge and dual battery set up in there. We've got the oils and stuff on the back, and then we've done this custom rear section on the tray here. So she's pretty tidy, old thing for a 05.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shawty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up.
King Fab Kustoms S4. How clean this thing
Looks
is.
pretty mint, eh?
Love it. Twin snorks. Something a little bit sneaky happening to mine. Hey?
Hey?
Maybe go the twins?
Hint, hint.
Yeah, this thing's clean. So nice. I love the silver too, eh?
That was a scoop, C4J scoop, mate. I told you.
What do you think about these twins? Like them or
I like them.
don't like them?
Slightly longer again. It's another 30mm and it's wider to fit the 9-inch in it. But
See, this is all
scratching it then.
loose as well.
Oh yeah. So this will sit about here. But it's going punching straight across, isn't it?
Yeah, it just goes.
Yeah,
Bang.
that's good.
Do you want to know about the exhaust?
Yeah.
I don't think you do.
Obviously you run in between the adapter there and under. That's just oval through there.
See how that does fit there quite nice? Sorry, there.
Yeah.
That's how I was kind of thinking, but with this, see how this drive shaft, that obviously when you flex up might go at an angle. So it's kind of got to be like
Where do you want it wrapped to? Do you want it wrapped past that cooler line so it's not cooking the line?
Yeah, I'll probably wrap it to, the flange actually comes to here. I'll have to drop that piece off. I thought I had it, but there's another piece that goes in there.
Yeah.
But I don't know, like, you know how that goes down there? It kind of hits the dipstick for the trans too, so I think that'll have to get bent out the way.
Nothing's going here, hey?
No.
So
Just
I can crop
just
the
one,
box will be
obviously,
here,
one
so at least I can pump bloody 4 inches across straight into the turbo.
Love a bloke who can pump 4 inches.
If they ask for 4, you just pump them twice. No, that'll all work. There's a lot more room. You're stressing too much.
All right. Catch you later. The car is dropped off in Matt's very capable hands. He's going to take care of it. Doing the airbox. We're doing something special. We're doing intercooler piping and exhaust. He's going to do the whole fabrication. So I'm very excited about that. We'll be back next week to pick it up. It's going to look good.
look sick, yeah.
It's going to look sick.
Yeah.
Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of a different video today. It's more of like a vlog, I guess. Be one of my first, maybe second vlogs that I've done. Nice to bring you guys along. Hope you're excited to see what these guys do with this car. I'm very excited to see the outcome. It's gonna be friggin' insane. And keep your eyes out for that sneaky little surprise that we have got. It's gonna fit in perfectly with this build. It's gonna make it look a million times better. Very excited to see it. Very excited to show you, but you'll have to wait till next week to see that. Catch you on the next episode. Goodbye.